Welcome to SumTime 3. Today we're working with page 22 and the lesson is called Fractions 19. Now so far we've been talking about fractions that are less than 1, less than a whole, like 3/4. That means 3 parts out of 4. If we said 4/4, that's 1 whole. So today we're going to talk about fractions that are more than a whole. If the numerator is the same as the denominator, then you have 1 whole, 4/4. As this picture shows, 1, 2, 3, 4. If you use all 4/4, you have 1 whole. How many of these fractions are wholes? 3/4. No, because we're only using 3 out of 4. 4/4. Yes, because that's 4 out of 4. How about 7/8? No, we're only using 7 out of 8. How about 9/10? No, we're only using 9 out of 10. And the same goes for 12/15. But 6/6. Yes, that's a whole because we're using all 6 of the 6th. Get it? Now sometimes you may have 5/4 and you'd write it like this, 5/4. So what do you have? You have 1 whole, that's 4/4, and an extra quarter. So you can write it like this, 1 plus 1/4. The rule is, if the numerator, that's the number on top, is bigger than the denominator, that's the number below, it's called an improper fraction. For example, 7/5. That means you have 7/5. But you only need 5/5 to make a whole. So you have 1 whole and 2/5 left over. 4/3. You only need 3/3 to make a whole. So that's 1 whole and 1/3. And 8/7. How many sevenths do you need to make a whole? 7, of course. So 8/7 is the same as 1 and 1/7. Get it? It's not really difficult. So if you have 7/4, you have 1 whole and 3 extra quarters, like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, that's the whole, and 5, 6, 7, they're the extra 3/4. Of course, if you had another quarter, 8/4, you'd have 2 wholes, wouldn't you? Because 2 times 4 is 8, like this. Mixed numbers are numbers that have a whole number part and a fraction part. And you write it like this. The 1 and a half. We write the whole number and the fraction on the same line, but the whole number is much bigger, and the whole number comes first. Well, that's all for today.